Tired of performance reviews, feeling like a never ending maze of spreadsheets, conflicting feedback, and missed growth opportunities? Our performance review pack crushes the chaos with customizable review templates tailored to your org chart, automated 360-degree feedback workflows, real time analytics dashboards tracking KPI alignment, and AI powered bias detection that flags rating inconsistencies before they derail careers. Say goodbye to the great resignation roulette. This isn't just HR tech, it's your employee retention GPS. For HR directors drowning in manual processes, managers craving clarity, and teams stuck in development limbo, this is your escape hatch. Here's what's inside the Performance Review Pack: goal alignment setup with role specific competency frameworks, feedback collection modules with automated stakeholder tagging, progress dashboards visualizing skill gaps and promotion readiness, bias detection engines analyzing rating patterns across demographics, development planning tools with L&D resource integrations. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just automation, it's your performance management operating system. Installing the Performance Review Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add performance-review-pack. That's it. You'll get the full workflow: goal setting protocols, feedback routing logic, analytics visualization layers, and compliance guardrails. Next time you open Claude Code, your AI will auto generate review cycles matching your org's hierarchy, flag biased language in real time, and predict high potential trajectories. No more all nighters wrestling Excel. Just type start review cycle and watch the magic happen. Your next performance season just got a promotion.